Good morning and welcome to this week's Moment of Clarity. People always want to know, what is the secret to success? We speak about it, we coach about it, and people pay millions of dollars every year to read and catch a glimpse of the secret to success. But you know what? That's a little bit like asking a chef, what is your recipe for your signature dish? Without also asking, what are the directions to make it? You see, we all have inside of us what it's going to take to be successful. The recipe, the ingredients, everything is inside of you. You know the habits, the disciplines, the skill sets. What we need to start focusing on is how to put it all together and what are the directions that we need to follow so that we can achieve success. So this week, as you are focusing on what you need to do to be successful, both in life and business, don't just focus on the ingredients. Don't just focus on the recipe. Let's focus on and let's also commit to following the directions. Have a great week, and I'll see you next time for our Moment of Clarity.